My name is Mark Clark. I'm a husband and a father of 2 boys, and I drive these roads in Evans every day. I'll be honest to everybody, I'm not a proponent of ever raising taxes or anything like that, but this sales tax initiative is something that the city needs. Everywhere I drive, I usually find potholes, cracks. A penny on the dollar for the sales tax increase is not bad at all. When I commute to work, I usually stop at McDonald's and I get myself an iced tea. Pay $1.06, $1.07. It's going to go up $1.07, $1.08. To me, that's not a big deal at all. A lot of people think, well, I'm going to pay more taxes and things aren't going to get done. Well, with this tax, you're going to see things get done. I believe that all of the citizens of Evans are going to benefit